The 2015-2020 Ford F-150 uses a multifunction lever located on the right side of the steering column to control the windshield wipers. To locate the wiper control lever, look to the right side of your steering column. This is where you'll find the multifunction lever that controls your wipers. To turn the wipers on, you need to rotate the end of the lever to select your desired speed. The lever has three main positions for different wiper speeds. The first position is intermittent wiping, marked as INT. This provides variable delay wiping that you can adjust based on light rain conditions. The second position is low speed, marked as LO. This provides continuous low-speed wiping for steady, light precipitation. The third position is high speed, marked as HI. Use this for continuous high-speed operation during heavy rain or snow. For a single wipe to clear your windshield, pull the lever toward you to activate the mist function. This gives you one quick wipe without changing your main wiper setting. These simple controls give you complete command over your F-150's wiper system, ensuring clear visibility in all weather conditions. To turn your wipers off, simply rotate the control lever back to the off position. The wipers will complete their current cycle before parking at the bottom of the windshield. Higher trim levels, including Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited, come equipped with advanced rain sensing technology that automatically adjusts wiper speed based on rainfall intensity. The rain sensing system uses light-emitting diodes and receptors mounted behind the windshield. When the glass is dry, more light reflects back to the receptors. As water droplets accumulate, less light returns, triggering the wipers to activate automatically. The Ford F-150 wiper system is considered above average for reliability. The most common maintenance issue is simply wiper blade replacement, which should be done every 12 months or 12,000 miles for optimal performance.